Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, Cleaner One is an all-in-one disk cleaning and optimization master on your Mac. With a minimalist and easy-to-use interface, you can visualize, manage and free up your storage space in just one click. Cleaner One can optimize your Mac by cleaning your disk drive, finding duplicate photos and other files, managing your apps, and much more. Free up disk space and enhance system performance. Now all made simple and effortless. Fully compatible with Mac OS Monterey and Apple Silicon, M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max. Key features are junk files cleaner, disk map, duplicate file scanner, similar photo scanner, intelligent app manager, and memory monitoring. Download Cleaner One to bring your device back to its best performance. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.